Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Poet's Channel. We have a very special interview for you guys today. We're sitting here with President and GM Vivek Rajgarhia. Vivek, how are you doing over there today?
Doing great, Mike. How are you doing?
I'm doing pretty well. So the reason why we're gathered here today, everybody, is there was a news release put out by Poet saying you guys are going to be at the OFC exhibition on March 8th through 10th. Can you explain to people what this exhibition is and why it's so important that Poet is showcased there this year?
Yeah, so Mike, we are really excited next week to be presenting and participating in the Optical Fiber Conference. For the last 40 years, as the optical fiber industry has developed, OFC has been the premier conference in our industry to showcase the technologies, the applications, the market, and whatnot. So we are really excited to be there.
Wonderful, wonderful. So you said now here that you guys have 7 products featured at the OFC and will be showcasing live demos of 2 of them. What can
Yes.
viewers expect from these demos?
So we are showcasing in terms of presenting several products. One of the important things of Poet's technology is that it's a technology platform. So several products can be derived out of that platform. So what we are showcasing is different features that covers our platform. So we have products, transmit products for 100G, 200G, CWDM4, FR4, which uses DML or directly modulated lasers. We have 400G and light bar engines, which use external modulators and CW lasers. So this is on the transmit side. And on the receive side, we have photo detectors that are integrated into our optical interposer platform. So we have 100, 200G and 400G, which can also be used for 800G, FR4 receive engines. And then we have the opportunity to demonstrate live working at our booth 2 of the products, and we selected these two products, which is the 200G FR4 transmit engine and the 400G 800G FR4 receive engine. So the reason we selected these 2 is because it covers the 2 different platforms. One is the DML based transmit laser that can be used in a PAM4 application for 200G. So it's demonstrating a capability, and our customers, potential partners, can see it live. And for 400G, we have the photo detector, high-speed photo detector, which is passively integrated on our optical interposer platform, which is a more cutting-edge technology that we are demonstrating. So it covers a breadth of basically our capability.
Wonderful, wonderful. So like at what stage of development are these products in like now? And like which one would you expect to be finished and to hit the market first?
So both on the 100G, 200G DML-based engines, we are now going through the alpha to beta and would be in production towards the Q3 of this year, okay? And on the 400G receive engine, so it covers 200G. So when we do 400G, 100, 200G is just by design covered, okay? So 400G engines, we are starting to sample, and we'll get into beta and production in about 3-4 months time.
Wonderful, wonderful. So let's bring it back to a more personal note, Vivek. Like, what are you most excited about when it comes to OFC 2022 and its prospects for Poet?
So, personally, I've been attending OFC for almost 30 years. It's transformed and changed as the optical technology has grown. For Poet, and one of the reasons I joined Poet 2.5 years ago, it has a opportunity to change the game of photonic integration, okay, which is a key hurdle in the growth of photonics and applications to proliferate, in a meaningful way, like semiconductors have. So we call it the semiconductorization of photonics. So for Poet, unfortunately, which is beyond our control, last 2 years, we could not be there. Last year, we participated virtually, which was a good opportunity with the technology that exists today. We are having this conversation virtually, and we were able to live stream to our customers, but the impact is not the same. We have a meeting, they join the meeting, they see, and then we shut off and move on, right? It's not the same interaction, not seeing it live, and physically, there is a difference, as you can appreciate. So this year we have that opportunity. It's a breakout year for POET in terms of getting to real commercialization of a technology that several people have been working hard to make into a product that can generate revenue, a real meaningful, tangible business. And we are at the inflection point of doing that. So this year's OFC is a breakout time for us. It's a breakout party, whatever way you want to say. And personally, for me, again, being in the industry for a long time, it will be the first time to attend as a POET representative, as a POET employee, at such a large industry event.
Perfect. Well, Vivek, best of luck at the event. If anybody has any questions about it, don't be afraid to send them over. We'll happily get you guys an update about how it goes later on. Vivek, anything else you want to share before we go?
So again, next week, rather, we are really excited about the Optical Fiber Conference, being there live. Some of our engineers will be there. We have several meetings scheduled with customers, potential partners, some that we've been working with, some new ones that we have reached out to and scheduled, and some who have reached out to us and we've scheduled. So I'm really looking forward to it. We have a team that will be there. And we hope to generate even more traction with the momentum we have today, again, I'm excited.
Perfect. Well, Vivek, thank you for joining us here today. And thank you everybody for watching. Stay tuned for more updates coming soon. And of course, have a wonderful day, Vivek. Thank you.
You too. Thank you.